guys, so today is the day we're about to start on this little build on the Rzr. Gonna be replacing that front diff with a Superatv heavy duty diff. I'm gonna be installing some more goodies too. I'll let y'all check them out when we get over to Mark's. So let's go. So guys, if y'all are in the Monticello area, be sure to check out Butler ATV Repair. He can handle all your parts you need. He can handle, if your bike breaks down, he can fix it up for you. So be sure to check him out on Facebook. Alright guys, so tough break. I don't have a cameraman today, but we will get some good time lapses. But here's the Superatv diff. Now once we get done with everything, I'll walk around and show y'all everything. But I'll go ahead and show you the new parts. Alright guys, so here's some more goodies. Got these 37 about 20s. We're gonna run the same rims, but in order to run these tires, you got to have one more thing. We got some 6-inch portals, got a frame stiffener, the better ball joints, better tie rods. So we're gonna get started on this video, and I hope y'all enjoy this time lapse. Let's go. Guys, so first day is knocked out. We got the diff in today. We did the 300M ball joints from Superatv. Let's just say that diff was hard to get out. It was a pain, but we did it. And we also got the frame stiffener on the front on, so I'll show y'all all that tomorrow. We went ahead and knocked off for today. We're gonna get back at it tomorrow, and we'll be swapping them tires over and getting the portals on. So we got the hard part pretty much out the way. So I will see y'all tomorrow. Alright guys, so back again. What we got done yesterday is we got the new diff in, and we put the front frame brace on, so frame stiffener. And we got the ball joints from Superatv, And I guess while we waiting on Mark to get back to the shop, we'll be putting on some brake pads real quick. So we'll get started putting these portals on here soon. Alright guys, we got the rear portals on. It's looking good. We ran into a little issue on the front end, and we're gonna have to end up buying another part to fix that issue, but we'll get it worked out, and hopefully by the weekend be riding. That is looking good so far. Still gotta mount the new tires. These are the old 33's. I'll be bumping it up to 37's. So hopefully it won't be long. Alright guys, so here she is. Looking good. I'll go over what we did. Once again, we went with the 6-inch GDP Superatv portals. We went with the 45% gear reduction, so that'll get these big tires spinning really easily. We did the 300M ball joint tie rod kit from Superatv, and they're a lot thicker, a lot beefier. Comes with that hem style joint. And we did the upper and lower 300M ball joints from Superatv, so beefed it up a little bit, so it should hold up to these massive 37-inch BKTs. These are the TR editions, which I think the TRs have a little bit thicker lug, and they're a 9.5 wide on the 20-inch fuel rims that y'all probably already seen if y'all watch the channel. But yeah, she is looking good. I'm gonna get some width on this thing, and I'll get some height and see what kind of ground clearance we're making now. So let's do that real quick. So unfortunate, I can't find my tape measure for nothing, so we'll have to find that. But to give you an idea, I got a trailer. About 83 or 82 inches wide. It, I mean, barely fits on there at this width, so we're probably around 82 inches, 83 inches wide. The height, if you can tell, it comes up, the bottom of it comes up to about my kneecap. I'm a pretty decently tall guy. It's kind of hard to get into now, but but yeah, it is looking good. I love it. But we are finished for now with this build. Well, we're not finished. We're going to do more things. I had plans on, you know, beefing up some of the A-arms and the rear arms, all that stuff. Probably going to go Superatv everything and just beef this thing up so it won't give me any issues. But we're not stopping there. We actually got another build heading to the shop. It's Keith's Ranger. I ain't gonna go into detail right now on that, but we'll get to that on the next video. It's gonna be awesome. You're gonna want to see it. But yeah, this thing is looking good. Super wide looking, super mean. I really haven't got to drive it much, but we will be going on some rides here soon. Now it's getting summertime, so it'll be creek riding season and river riding season, so y'all get to see a lot of footage, and I'll get some more updates on how I like this setup with the 45% gear reduction. So I'm excited to see. I know I've rode it just around the block, and it's like a whole different machine. It feels way different than I've ever felt. But until next time, we'll catch y'all guys later. I hope y'all like the build, and if you don't mind, subscribe if you want to see more of us ripping this machine with this setup and seeing what it'll do. And yeah, subscribe. We'll see y'all guys on the next video. Now don't forget, stay looking for that video. It's gonna be a good one. We'll see y'all guys on the next one.